Bonjour à tous, bienvenue à l'autre leçon de apprendre le français avec Madame. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Learn French with Madame. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre le vocabulaire des corvées. So this set of vocab is all about chapitre 8 of vocabulaire 1 of BND, les corvées, chores. So this chapter is talking about things à la maison, at the house. So today we are going to talk about chores, and our next video will be chores. And then later in this chapter, we're going to talk about things in the house, such as like bedroom, dining room, table, bed, dresser, nightstand, etc., etc. OK? Donc, on va commencer. So let's start. En premier, on a faire la cuisine. Faire la cuisine is to cook. Faire la cuisine. OK, la prochaine, mettre la table. Mettre la table. We learned this vocab word back in chapitre 6, towards the beginning of the school year in chapter 6. Mettre la table meant to set the table. Continuer, on a débarrasser la table. C'est la contraire. Débarrasser la table is the opposite. It's to clear the table. Débarrasser la table. OK? Aussi, balayer, c'est un verbe. Balayer, le verbe balayer égale, en anglais, equals in English, to sweep. Balayer. And balayer is a Y-E-R verb. Now, the reason I tell you that is because we're going to end up learning Y-E-R verbs, but be careful, they don't conjugate like normal ER verbs. So they're a little bit different. Okay, so they have a little spelling change that we're going to learn. But balayer is the verb to sweep. Balayer. Prochaine, on a faire la vaisselle. Faire la vaisselle, to do the dishes. Faire la vaisselle. Now, faire la vaisselle oftentimes gets confused with another vocab word, which we'll talk about here in a little bit. So just make sure that you study this one really well and make sure that you know it's faire la vaisselle like the back of your hand. OK? Prochaine, on a passer l'aspirateur. Passer l'aspirateur, to vacuum. Passer l'aspirateur, to vacuum. Aspirateur is the word for a vacuum. So we have passer l'aspirateur, to vacuum. Aussi, on a laver la voiture. Laver la voiture. We already should know that la voiture means car. We talked about that in French 1, and I'm sure you've seen it on Duolingo. Laver la voiture, to wash the car. So laver is the verb to wash, and la voiture, the car. Prochaine, on a le verbe promener. Le verbe promener, on a déjà apprendre cet verbe en la classe de français 1. We already learned this verb in French 1. Promener is the verb to walk, and it is an accent-changing verb. So quick review, if you don't remember, promener, inside of the boot, so all subject pronouns except for nous and vous will get an accent grave on that first E. And everything else will not get an accent. So nous and vous don't get an accent, but all the other subject pronouns do. Aussi, on a sortir la poubelle. Sortir, we should know, means to take out. And la poubelle is the trash. So sortir la poubelle, to take out the trash. Prochaine, c'est promener ou sortir le chien. Promener, we know, is the verb to walk. Sortir, we know, is the verb to take out. And le chien, c'est facile, the dog. So tell me what this vocab word means. Oui, to walk or to take out the dog. Excellent. La prochaine, on a arroser les plantes. Arroser les plantes. Les plantes are plants. Arroser is the verb to water. Arroser les plantes, to water the plants. Prochaine, c'est tendre la pelouse, tendre la pelouse. Et ça, c'est la pelouse ici, la pelouse. La pelouse is the grass or the lawn. Tendre is to cut or to mow. So tendre la pelouse, to mow the lawn. Tendre la pelouse. Prochaine, c'est ranger sa chambre. Ranger sa chambre is to pick up or tidy up one's room. So ranger is the verb to pick up or to tidy, and sa chambre just means one's room. So if you wanted to say, I'm picking up my room, you could say, je range ma chambre, and take out and switch that possessive adjective. La prochaine, on a faire son lit. Faire son lit. So we know that faire is the verb to do or to make. Son, we know, means one, his, or her. And lit is the word for bed. So faire son lit just means to make one's bed. If you said je fais mon lit, it means I make my bed. So faire son lit, to make one's bed. La prochaine vidéo, on va apprendre plus de mots de vocabulaire. The next video, we're going to learn more vocab words about les corvées. We are also going to talk about negative expressions like never, nobody, no one, etc., etc. Donc, la prochaine vidéo, on va continuer avec les corvées. So the next video, we're going to continue with chores. Et la prochaine partie de ce chapitre, the next part of this chapter, on va apprendre les choses dans la maison. We're going to learn things in the house. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui, mais si vous avez des questions, envoyez-moi un email. Mais c'est tout et à plus.